Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be learning the solo for Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. I've done another video on all the other parts of this song, the intro, the verse and the chorus, etc. I'll put a link to that below so you can check that one out. But now on to the cool part, the solo. So it sounds like this. Okay, so a little trick with this solo is the entire thing is going to be on your middle two strings, okay, your G and your D, so you don't need to worry about any of the other strings. So we start up on the 10th fret of the D string, going to the 8th fret of your G, and then to the 10th fret of the G, and then 6th fret of the D. Then we're going to play the 8th fret of your G. We're going to play it once and then again the second time we're going to bend it. Okay, typical bend, just up and then straight back to neutral. And then we're going to stay on this string for quite a while now, so we're going to fall down that string at 6, 5. So from the start so far you should have. Then we repeat the last two notes, 6, 5, but we're going to add on 3, 1. Then similar to what we did up at number 8, this time on fret number 3, you're going to pick it and then bend it, and again the bend is up and then straight back down. Then back to number 1, still the same string, and then 0, same string. So far. And as soon as you've done that, we jump straight back up to 10 and the whole lot goes round again. Okay, so then part 2 sounds like this. Which we do the same lick 4 times round. So that's starting off at 1 on your G, and we're going to go 1, 0. 3 times. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then back onto just the 1. And then we're going to go to fret 5 on your D, and we're going to slide backwards from 5 to 3. I'd suggest doing that with your 3rd finger, okay, because we're coming from the 1st fret, we've got a big jump, so I'd use your 3rd finger for that slide. So we have. And that sets you up to jump back onto that number 1 to repeat and do it again. So we've got. When you get to that last one, leave that last note ringing out as long as you can. Okay, that's the whole thing. Let me know how you get on in the comments and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next time.